Hi everyone, and welcome back to Design Cafe by Jag. Spring is the perfect time to refresh your home with a touch of elegance without spending a fortune. In today's video, I'm sharing budget-friendly ways to achieve a luxury spring look for your interiors and outdoor spaces. From your living room to your front door and patio, these affordable tips will help you create a high-end feel without the high-end price tag. Come on, let's talk design. Refresh your home with sophisticated color palettes. A luxury home starts with a refined color palette. Here is how to introduce spring colors in an elegant way. First, neutral base with soft accents. Stick to a neutral base like ivory, champagne, or soft gray, and introduce muted pastels such as blush pink, sage green, or dusty blue for a luxurious, serene look. Second, gold and metallic accents. Add subtle gold, brass, or rose gold accents through decorative objects, frames, or even hardware to elevate the overall aesthetic. 3. Elegant fabrics. Swap out heavy winter textiles for luxe spring fabrics like silk, velvet, or linen in soft, airy shades. Opt for high-end looking throw pillows and plush textured blankets. Incorporate natural elegance. Spring is about bringing nature indoors, but in a way that feels sophisticated and intentional. First, oversized floral arrangements. Instead of small bouquets, opt for grand, oversized floral arrangements in tall vases. Use fresh blooms like peonies, orchids, or hydrangeas for a refined look. 2. Elegant house plants. Choose sculptural plants like fiddle leaf figs, white orchids, or even olive trees in sleek, minimalistic planters. High-end aesthetics come from the balance of simplicity and statement pieces. 3. Marble and crystal accents. Incorporate nature with materials like marble coasters, crystal vases, or agate bookends to add an organic yet refined touch. High-end DIY decor. DIY projects don't have to look cheap. Here are some easy ways to create high-end decor on a budget. Upgrade dollar store vases with matte white paint for a high-end ceramic look. Add gold leaf details for an extra touch of luxury. 2. Custom artwork. Luxury spaces often feature statement art. Create your own minimalistic or abstract piece using gold foil, soft brushstrokes, or textured canvas techniques. 3. Gilded mirrors and frames. Refinish old mirrors or picture frames with gold spray paint for an instant designer touch. Place them strategically to reflect natural light and make your space feel grander. decluttering and layering for a luxe look. Luxury decor is all about intentionality. Here's how to create an elegant, polished space. Declutter and curate. A luxurious home feels curated, not cluttered. Remove excess items and display only sophisticated pieces that complement your color scheme and style. 2. Layer textiles and materials. Combine different textures like velvet, silk, and glass to create a rich, dimensional look. For example, pair a marble coffee table with a soft boucle chair and silk draperies. 3. Symmetry and balance. High-end design often follows symmetry layouts. Arrange decor in balanced groupings and use statement pieces to anchor the space. Front door and entry elegance. Your front door is the first impression of your home. Make it feel luxurious with these simple upgrades. 1. Grand wreath and statement decor. Choose a lush, oversized wreath with realistic florals and greenery. Add a monogrammed ribbon of metallic accents for an elegant touch. 2. Elevated planters. Symmetry is key. Place matching sculptural planters on either side of the door with trimmed boxwoods, tapestries, or seasonal flowers in rich tones. 3. Designer-inspired doormat. Upgrade your doormat with a layered look. Place a larger, neutral outdoor rug underneath a stylish, monogrammed mat for a high-end feel. Luxury patio and outdoor styling. Your outdoor space can feel just as luxurious as your interiors with the right styling. Here's how to elevate your patio on a budget. Elegant outdoor lighting. Swap harsh lighting for soft ambient options like lanterns, fairy lights, or solar-powered sconces. Stick to warm tones for a cozy, inviting glow. 2. Refined outdoor furniture. If new furniture isn't in the budget, update your current pieces with luxurious cushions in high-end fabrics like linen or performance velvet. Keep colors neutral and sophisticated. 3. Table setting with designer flair. Set up an elegant outdoor dining area with layered table settings. Use textured chargers, cloth napkins, and a centerpiece of fresh flowers in a statement vase. 4. Chic privacy solutions. Use flowing outdoor curtains, a sleek trellis, or bamboo screens to create a private, high-end outdoor retreat. And there you have it. Budget-friendly ways to achieve a luxurious look for spring. Let me know in the comments which idea you're excited to try. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more interior design inspirations. Thank you for watching Design Cafe by Jag, and I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget, don't allow your budget to dictate your design.
Trembling, air feels like October skies. Fumbling, lost all track of space and time. And I know how things must seem so fragile in our shells. And it's not so binary how we journey to ourselves. So how can I help watching the clouds pass through? No clue in the time, no reason to be subdued. We all know the skies for the first time. They draw the lines, just read in between. I'm chasing you. Pause myself, hold my breath before I die. Like jellyfish beneath the surface, the sparks.
Always remember, never let your budget dictate your style, but create a space that you love. Design for life.